Hey, it's Graham here, and in today's video we're going to have a look at this video here called "This May Be the World's Easiest Side Hustle, $200 a Day." And it's on a channel by Income Ignition. Now, it's a reasonably new channel, has 2.3 thousand subscribers. This video has 42,000 views in the last 11 days. So go over, give it a like I have, and also like and follow my channel would be great as well.
A background in marketing, but I'd been really helping my brother with his business for so long. I hadn't built my own business.
And you don't need a marketing background.
So I really went to YouTube and kind of Facebook and just started looking, talking to friends and seeing what I could do. And I built a social media marketing agency. I knew I wanted to build a YouTube channel because that had always been on my mind. But that's, I don't know, more saturated. Obviously, this is on YouTube. And
Not really.
I'm experimenting with that, but it takes a long time. So I came across this guy, Spencer
Mecham.
He's called Builderpreneur on YouTube. And I was watching some of his videos and I could just tell, like, I have like a BS meter that's been honed with, like, I've made a lot of people money online, so I like know who's telling the truth and who's not. And my meter with him was like, this guy knows what he's talking about. Like, I could tell, you know, little things. And I came across this video that was talking about how to make money with Amazon in this new way that it seemed like most people hadn't really figured out.
Well,
it's been around, this kind of program had been around for like 6 years, but it just seemed like not that saturated, and also Amazon's so gigantic. So I was like, wow, this seems like real. This seems like something I could do. So he showed me kind of like what he had been experimenting with. He did like a challenge of going from like $0 and went all the way up to like $500 a day. Like, it seemed a little too good to be true, but I have a specific
So let's continue on and see what he has to say.
Online, because I've seen it made so much, and I've made so much money for other people. Like, I know what's possible, so I knew like it could be done. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how this program works and how I did it for myself, starting from nothing, making no money, to making $200 to $400 sometimes some days. So the way this method works,
it makes it
really
sound easy.
Honestly, it's crazy because I talk to some of my high-level marketing friends and they're like, what's the Amazon influencer program? Like, what is this thing? Like, so many people, that's when I started really being like, wow, everyone wants to know about this way to make money.
He's really good on camera,
but no one really knows about it because there's so many, like, you know, there's affiliate marketing, there's, you know, ClickFunnels, ClickBank, Facebook ads, drop shipping, Etsy, whatever. There's so many different like methods, side hustles to like real businesses, software, so many ones I haven't even named. But like all of those have really been heard about. So like starting from nothing, making no money, to making $200 to $400 sometimes some days. So the way this method works, it's really unique. Honestly, it's crazy because if you're on Amazon and you're trying to buy something like, let's say, this Ancient Nutrition collagen protein, and you're looking at it and you're just like, I just am not getting enough from this description. Well, what Amazon did is they added this video section. So on this top video section, there can be up to 6 videos, and they'll either be from the store owner or from other people. You can see my video here. And when someone watches my video or someone else's video and then buys the product, that creator is getting a commission. So it's like a really simple to understand program. It's like, create videos for products on Amazon that you already have in your house or that you buy, and if a person and then you upload those, and Amazon shows those videos on product. And if somebody wants more info on the product and watches a video in either this section or there's another section down here on mobile, it's even farther down, yeah, Amazon basically shows your video here, and then if they watch that video, the person does and then buys, you get a commission. So you can really conceptually see how simple this program is. Record videos for products on Amazon. Amazon then shows video to customers. Customers buy product, you get a commission. You know, happy day. So I was like, okay, how much could I actually make from this? Because if you're like me, you probably spend an embarrassingly large amount on Amazon. And even if you don't, I think most people have more products that in their home that are on Amazon than they think. Like, you don't have to about the product. As long as the product is on Amazon, most likely they're going to be showing videos for that product. 90%, 95% of products do, and you can make a video for it. So I actually think I finally found a method of making money when I saw this, that like you need only your phone. You don't even have to show your face. You don't have to generate your own traffic. You don't need a website. You don't need salespeople. You don't need products. Well, you need some products in your...
I would suggest that you do show your face, because you build more know, like, and trust with people. If there's a video there with somebody demonstrating the product rather than, just a video of the product, you're going to get higher conversions.
Well, you need some products in your house, but ones you've already bought. You don't need to hold inventory. Like any of those headaches with another business, you don't need to have. So I was like, let's test this out. So first thing I did was I had to sign up. So I just Googled Amazon Influencer Program and I clicked on sign up. And basically what happened here, I assigned my my current Amazon account that I use. And then I clicked on that. I've already signed up, but where I went was like, you need either TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram account. So I attached my Instagram account that had 4,000 followers. But now I know that you really don't even need that many followers. They're more looking for engagement. So don't get too caught up on, oh, I need all these followers, because you're using Amazon's traffic. Your followers don't matter except for just getting approved this program. So I signed up, and then basically they build a shop for you. And that shop holds your videos. So the first thing you have to do is actually upload 3 videos. And these were the first 3 videos I did, because they need to approve you. Now this is where most people get stuck. So listen to this. You have to record 3 videos. So I uploaded these 3 videos about, I think, this little mount for my mic. You can see the video here.
Hi, this is Ben, and this is my review.
Good hairstyle. And then I shot this other one for my Xbox controller, and then this keyboard. Because I just wanted to do so I just did 3 random products. 1, I didn't show my face. 2, I did. And don't worry, you can show your face or not show your face. Honestly, now that I've done this, it doesn't affect you that much. But yeah, basically, I uploaded those, and about a month and a half later, it took a while. So this is the part people get hung up. You just gotta have some patience. You gotta record high quality videos. I have some other videos on my channel on how to do that, and I also have a course coming out if you want more in depth, like hand holding, steps on how to do this. But I uploaded those 3 videos, waited and waited and waited, and finally I got approved. So I was like, okay, now can I make money with this? So you can see in November I uploaded these videos, and then December 14th I started uploading some videos, and I think I uploaded like 8 or 9 because I just wanted to test it out. So you can see here I started uploading these other videos. Well, it was the 14th. So the 14th I uploaded them. I started getting some clicks, 9 clicks, 11 clicks. That means when someone clicks like add to cart on your Amazon product, or on the Amazon product that you uploaded that video for. And then, boom, December 15th, I earned $1. Now, one thing I didn't know, because I was confused, because at first I hadn't earned any money, there's 2 store IDs that Amazon gives you. So you got to make sure you do this on Amazon account to make sure that you're on the right account. So yeah, December 15th, I earned my first $1. So then it's like, wow, this thing's real. I can actually earn money with this. And then I just started uploading videos. You can see like 14th, I uploaded like 6, and then I was on break, so I didn't do much. In December, I think I uploaded a total, I don't know, like 10 videos or something. And in all of December, I earned a whopping $140. Okay, and that was something, it wasn't nothing. And now it was like, wow, okay, I can really make some money with this. So I was like on vacation in North Carolina. I was like, I got to get back and start shooting videos. I started getting the itch, you'll start feeling that addiction of like, I can make money, I need to shoot more videos. And I think you'll know what I mean once you start this, or if you already started this. So this January, I started taking it much more seriously. And so you can see I was uploading on the 3rd, I uploaded like 10 more videos. And then I waited until the 9th. I uploaded another batch. I was just trying to get them out as fast as I could. That's obviously wasn't doing that good. But then at 10th, I uploaded more. The 11th, I uploaded more. 15th, I uploaded more. And you can see some of these are no face. I was like trying different stuff. No crazy thumbnails. I was like experimenting a little with thumbnails, like taking a picture, editing it a little bit. but nothing too crazy, and just like the titles weren't that crazy either. And then January, let's see, this was a month, basically after, or 15 days after I got approved, when I really didn't take it seriously in December, I made $1,800. So that was really big for me. And I think that, you know, for anyone, that's a sign that this is real. This is a large amount of money, depending on how much money you have. I mean, it's more or less, but it's $1,800 to $1,800. So you can see I started earning, I was starting out like the small amounts, but the more videos I started earning, I got up to $100 a day. I think my first one on January 20th. And that was probably after, I don't know, 30 videos. And then I was kind of consistently around the $75, $85 amount. You can see here, don't worry if you get low amounts sometimes, some days are just bad. And then I hit $172 on January 31st. And that was, let's see, after uploading, I had actually uploaded about 175 videos in January. So I got really dedicated. So that's like 175 divided by 30. I did about 6 videos a day, which honestly isn't that crazy. A video took me around in the beginning a lot longer, but now it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes with all the editing stuff, because I don't even edit my videos now, and I'll talk about that. But yeah, so I uploaded a lot of videos and had a lot of success in January. 175 videos, and I made up to like $175 that month. So that was really cool to see. So I started doubling down even more and uploading more videos. So now I really started getting excited about this program. Like I was like thinking about it every day, thinking about how I can make better thumbnails and titles, and going in Facebook groups and looking around and watching other people's videos, and like, you know, making spreadsheets of my best products. Really, in a lot of ways, overanalyzing, but just thinking about all the angles and just getting better. But I knew that fundamentally the main thing I wanted to do, the goal for February then, was just try to record a video for everything in my house. So I shot about another 200 videos during the month of February. Yeah, I guess it's a little hard to tell how many videos because some I re-upload with like different thumbnails and stuff, but let's say another 175 to 200, so I'm at around 300 to 350 videos. And in February, I ended up doing $5,300, which was really a good increase, I think, from January, and, you know, that's a lot of money, and it was really exciting. So now I'm moving on to, you know, I need to start shooting more products. So I've started buying some products, as well as I am going to friends and family's houses and going to shoot products with them, and they can come to my house and shoot my products. That's something you can do. So that kind of opens up the possibilities of like how to get all these products. You don't just have to buy them or reinvest your commissions. You can also just like utilize your friends and family. So altogether, this is like a really amazing program. Even in March now, which they did some changes in commissions, like there's always things changing. That's not just March. Let's see, just in March, I've done 2,400. So I'm looking at about the same kind of range, you know, 5,000, 5,500, if March keeps on going away.
Well, that's amazing, you know. He's done, you know, 5 to 7K a month. Now, it's called the Amazon Influencer Program. If you want to know more about it, you can just do a search on Google, or go to Amazon and search Amazon Influencer Program. I didn't get accepted. I don't know why. I've got a TikTok account with over 70,000 on it, YouTube channel with 1,500 people. YouTube's probably not quite so active. But anyway, I will try again. So if you're interested, do a search, go there, have a look at some other videos, and a great video, Ben. But it will take some work and effort. He also mentioned some AI scripts and things like that, so maybe there's a little bit more work in it than what he says. But it's not very hard to make these videos. They don't have to be professional. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see how I make money online, there's some links in the description below. See you in the next video.